Hey there, welcome to SAP with Veena. In this video, we are going to understand the importance of purchasing value key in the material master, which would have some kind of functionality in SAP S/4HANA procurement activities. I'm going into the material master record, purchasing, and the plan for which it has been created already. And here you can see the purchasing value key. Now, the purchasing value key is used to control the tolerances, whether it is under delivery or over delivery, and also to send reminders to the vendor. Now, when we talk about reminders to the vendor, this is to remind the vendor for non-receipt of the order acknowledgement and confirmation letter against the purchase order, whatever we would have sent to the vendor. Now, whenever we create a purchase order, in the purchase order, if we have specified that we need order acknowledgement, now after receiving the purchase order, if the vendor has not sent us the order acknowledgement and confirmation letter, we can activate in the system wherein the SAP system will automatically send reminders to the vendor without user intervention. Now, I cannot key in the number of days here directly. As you can see, the screen is grayed out. This can be controlled through the purchasing value key. Now I can pick whatever is available here. Suppose this is what I had already created. Now, if I pick C as my value key, here you can see that we have reminders, first reminder, second, and third. Now, first reminder says 1 day, means from the date of the confirmed purchase order, if we do not receive the acknowledgement letter from the vendor, after 1 day, system is going to send reminder to the vendor that we have not received the order acknowledgement letter. Even despite that, we are not going, if we haven't received the reminder, if we haven't received the acknowledgement letter, system will automatically send the second reminder on the second day, third reminder on the third day. This way we have options of sending reminders to the vendor for non-receipt of acknowledgement letter, wherein the system is going to send the reminders without the user intervention. So now if I want some other number of days, I cannot enter it over here directly. I can monitor that through the purchasing value key. And also you can see here the tolerances. Of course, tolerance is what we actually deal with when we are looking at inventory management activities. But just to brief you on that, now if I have given a purchase order for 100 pieces, if for some reason, if vendor has delivered in excess of my purchase order quantity, should I be accepting that or not is the question. So if it is okay for us to have some in excess of order quantities or in lesser quantity against the purchase order, we are going to set under delivery and over delivery tolerances. So as per the standard SAP, under delivery is generally accepted because we are going to expect future deliveries as the same is generally treated as partial deliveries. But in some organizations, they're not okay with that. They do not allow partial deliveries. So in that case, we would be setting up under delivery tolerance as well. So all these things are monitored through purchasing value key, and this needs to be configured. So to configure that, we go into SPRO, SAP reference IMG, and here we go into material management, purchasing. So here we have material master and define purchasing value keys. So here, if you want, you can copy and create, but not required. You can just directly go into new entries. And I'm going to create a new one. Now, this is where we are going to specify the number of days. Suppose if I take it as 2, 4, and 5. And suppose if I activate acknowledgement required here itself, and if I'm going to assign this key to any material master, then every time we create a purchase order, order acknowledgement from the vendor becomes mandatory for us to receive that. If we are going to activate acknowledgement required here itself. But if you don't want, you can keep it deactivated so that case to case basis, you can decide whether you want acknowledgement or not, and the same can be activated on the purchase order. And also here you have under delivery and over delivery, which is generally set in percentages. So if you are going to activate this, that means that you are permitting under delivery to whatever extent and over deliveries also. So any shipping instructions you have, you can also activate it over here. But anyways, I'm not going to activate any of this. So now I'll save this value key. Now, if I go into my purchase order over here, I have this. Now you can see that reminders got activated and delivery tolerance is not set. So now I can save this. So going forward, whenever I create a purchase order for this material, and if I activate order acknowledgement required in the purchase order, despite sending that, if vendor has not sent the acknowledgement letter, system is going to automatically remind the vendor as per the number of days what I've set in the material master. So this is the usage of the purchasing value key in the material master, and let's connect in the next video. Till then, stay tuned. Thank you.